Hello everyone. Today, we will explain to you what are the four M's of operation in relation of businesses opportunity. In the last clip of our video, you will watch a short example on how four M's can be used. Please enjoy and understand our simple presentation.
What is method? Method is a detailed procedure for accomplishing something. Method was used in business when developing or innovating a new products or service, expanding your business enterprise, searching for skilled workers to include in the workforce, and for improving the efficiency of its process.
These are steps in analyzing this method. An entrepreneur must do these steps. Number 1, identify the operation to analyze. Number 2, gather all relevant information about the operation, including tools, materials, and procedures. Number 3, talk to employees who use the operation or have used similar operation. They may have suggestions for improving it. Number 4, chart the operation whether you are analyzing an existing operation or a new operation. Number 5, evaluate each step in the existing operation or propose new operation. Number 6, revise the existing or new operation as needed.
A wise selection of manpower to join in your workforce provides strategic solutions in promoting a sustainable competitive advantage that quickly adapts changing demands to business and its operations. Manpower these days are employees that processes and gives insights on how to reduce cost, increase productivity to achieve a better business result.
Manpower. When setting up a business, finding honest and capable people is always a challenge. In my experience, people can be honest but may not be capable or competent, and some are capable but not honest. It is rare to find someone with all the ideal qualities. So, for a businessman, they must be able to treasure their employees who are both capable and honest, as they are integral to the growth of the business.
To look for the right employee for the business operation, the following are the kind of the staff that one should have. 1. Skilled. 2. Well qualified and well versed in business. 3. Responsible. 4. Dedicated and committed to work. 5. Honest and with integrity. 6. Able to attain targets and set goals. 7. Not indulge in wasteful expenditure. 8. Loyal. And lastly, number 9, team player.
What is machines? Machinery is also important. Without the proper equipment, you will not be able to perform the needed task efficiently. You may be able to use the manpower to do it, but it is usually more efficient if machines are able to automate the work.
The following are the right equipment to purchase in starting a business. Number 1, assess your business reality. Number 2, get an external point of view. Number 3, invest in digital technologies. Number 4, create a technology roadmap. Number 5, shop around of suppliers. Number 6, keep training in mind. Number 7, think safety first. Number 8, keep it green.
Materials. In manufacturing industry, companies are involved in turning raw materials into physical products, which are then sold to consumers. One of the things that a manufacturing company can do to achieve efficiency is to source quality raw materials from credible suppliers. For perishable and edible products, the business should investigate how raw materials are restored, processed, and shipped to consumers. Materials. Sourcing raw materials is critical in any business endeavor, as the businessman would want to have the cheapest possible at the highest quality.
Inventory. If a manufacturer runs out of materials it needs for production, then production stops. In the past, many companies guarded against this possibility to keeping large inventories of materials on hand. It seemed like the thing to do at the time, but it often introduced a new problem, that is wasting money. Most manufacturers have since learned that to remain competitive, They need to manage inventories more efficiently.
Just-in-time production. One method is called just-in-time production. The manufacturing arrange for materials to arrive at production facilities just in time to enter the manufacturing process. Material requirements planning. Another method called material requirements planning. Release on computerized program both of calculate the quantity of material needed for production and determine when they should be ordered or made.
There are four entrepreneurs discussing on how to make successful businesses.
Can anyone tell me on how to start a successful and healthy business?
Oh, I know one of the four M's of operations so that your customer will meet or surpass the expectation about your product.
Then can you share it with me then?
So the four entrepreneurs are discussing about it and this is how it goes. The first thing you should have is having a method. Method can show you the step-by-step process in making business, like in how to do simple marketing strategy.
So you are saying that knowing what method means can lead me on how I will make my business by knowing the step-by-step process, right?
Yes, Kate, you're right.
Okay then. How about you, Leslie? What can you share about me on how I will make my business successful since you have a successful business?
Oh, you know about my business, huh? In starting your business, you also need to have an employee who has strategic solution in promoting a sustainable competitive that can adapt changing demands in business and operation. The employee you also need to find is that she or he can give insights on how to reduce costs, increase productivity to achieve a better business result, and also a must know that the person or employee you are going to hire is trustable and honest.
Oh, that's interesting and a little bit alarming because I'm afraid that my ongoing business might be bankrupt because of hiring wrong employee. So I need to be alert on hiring my employee.
Yes, Kate, you're right.
Thank you for that, Leslie. How about you, Melchin? What are your thoughts about business since you are the most successful here? Can you give me some advice or other things I should remember to start my business?
Oh, I have two things for you to remember, Kate. Listen, okay?
While Melchin is talking, the three entrepreneurs are taking down notes to what they hear and what they can learn on what will they do to make their business more successful.
Okay, I will listen to you. Start it discussing then.
The third in the 4Ms is that having some machinery or machines in your business. Machines nowadays is a must. You have a big company building, right? So what would be needed? You must have printers, Xerox machines, scanner, and a lot more that can make your employee to do the task faster and easier. You also need to make a map where employees can read and be guided where would that item will be placed. Also make a schedule on what date should these machines will be cleaned so that there will be no issues in using it while employees are at work.
Wow, that's interesting. Then I should be ready to buy these stuffs so that my employees can work at peace and no problems.
Yes, you're right. You must buy it sooner. But there's one more thing you must know, Kate.
What is it, Melchin?
This is the last operation and 4Ms. This is the materials, which is raw materials. You must know that three entrepreneurships to the daily activities are materials management. These are purchasing, inventory control, work scheduling. And purchasing materials, you must know the quality, needs of the company, and a good price. You in doing inventory control, you must know on how to stop buying and on how to count your items in your inventory. Make some plan on how to make inventory on right amount of materials in it. And lastly, the work schedule. is the manufacturers make profits by transforming inputs into the outputs to be a good finished products.
Wow, Melchin, you know so much about business. Thank you for sharing knowledge about making business successful. I will remember it all and apply it my upcoming business.
No problem. If you want some help, just contact us.
Thank you again.
And this is how the conversation ends. Knowing the 4 M's can help you a lot in making your business successful. You can also share it in your fellow entrepreneurs who wants to build a business. Thank you for watching our short role play.